Because of the accident, I actually ended up needing 2 hip surgeries. I couldn't walk for 10 months. It was very impactful. I'm 28, and due to the accident, I needed a full hip replacement on my left side. Hi, I'm Octavia Harris. I'm from Aubrey, Texas. We didn't anticipate the extensive amount of injury that I actually had, because originally when I first contacted you guys, it wasn't as bad. The cortisone injection got infected, my whole leg. They had to cut my entire quad open. It was a whole thing. The home health nurse and antibiotics and getting me released from the hospital. It's no one was prepared for any of that. But they handled it so well. I remember even when I had the emergency surgery, he sent flowers to the hospital for me. Well, I feel like this is probably the fastest case I've ever seen close. Even the friend that I told you that I had called, she's still in her case. They're still doing depositions, and she had her accident before mine. I don't think I would be in the same place that I am now if it wasn't for you guys health-wise, because I wouldn't have been able to deal with all that was happening at once. Working with you guys also gave us some stability, because due to the accident and all the surgeries, I actually became unemployed. You guys really did give me some time back that I didn't think I would have, in terms of the quickness of me being able to get into these surgeries and get these things done. Well, if I was on my own, it probably would have sat way too long and would have been a completely different situation. When we got into the accident, my youngest was 1 and he's now 2. He literally doesn't know me without being on a walker or without being in a wheelchair. So it's interesting now to see that he gets so excited when we go to the park or we get up and play, because mommy couldn't do that for so long. And it was since he's so young, it's dang near half his life that he can remember. So that longevity really does give me such a peace of heart, especially with them. They have good empathy. They know how to sympathize. They understand how to get a situation done with the swiftness. They understand that, your life is still moving forward. So they do it with a sense of urgency. They do it with love. They do it with care. They're very honest people. Cole was he never tried to sway me in any direction. He would explain to me and tell me, for your children, I would see this would be a good thing to do. I wouldn't do this. The family aspect of it, the way they love you, the way they care for you, the way they bring you in, is just very wonderful.